Hi everybody! Here we are unboxing SmallRig folding tool set with screwdrivers and hex key wrenches. Totally it includes 7 tools. There is a hard shell protective case, and inside, when we open it, there's a small fabric bag. Inside, here's the tool. You can see the logo for SmallRig here. The tool has solid build. It's built of aluminum alloy and stainless steel. It includes 7 tools. It has flat screwdriver, Allen wrench size 2.5, Torx T25 driver, Phillips screwdriver. On the other side, we have 3 Allen wrenches, size 3, 4, and 3/16. There are built-in screw threads for storage of various screws. Sometimes it's really difficult to move this piece of metal, so I can unscrew the base plate of the tripod without losing a fingernail. So I think this tool will be helpful with this task. See? Now it can be removed easily. This tool can also be used to secure Peak Design base plate to the camera. This tool includes Allen wrench size 4, which can be helpful with Peak Design screws. These screw holes can storage screws, so you don't lose them. When they get tightened, they're limited by the space. I don't know if you can see it here, but they're touching here and here, so they cannot screw all the way. The multi-tool also has this hole to attach a lanyard or wrist strap.